Have you ever opened Jira and thought everything looks green, but somehow the sprint still misses its deadline? The ticket has been moving. Developers are updating status. Scrum ceremonies are happening. Yet delivery keeps slipping. Here is the shocking part. Most Jira teams are looking at the wrong metrics. Time status tells you where time was spent, but it does not tell you whether that time is actually a problem. Welcome to Raigarkul. I'm Deepak Rai. Today, I'm going to show you a Jira app that automatically greets every issues from A to D, identifies delivery risk, and even uses AI to tell your team exactly what needs attentions. And the best part is you can install it and start using it under 2 minutes. Before we start, I have questions. How many Jira issues are currently sitting in progress in your project? Drop the number in the comments. I wanted to see how many teams are fighting hidden bottlenecks right now. To begin with this, first we have to navigate it to app sections, install issue health, time and status, cycle time, and AI for Jira by release management. Where first you install, and once the installation is done, on just a single click, you'll be able to enable it. This application is created by release management team. Before I can give you detail about this tool, I wanted to explain you the problems, what this solves. So let's be honest, most Jira reporting tools looks something like velocity chart, burn down charts, sprint reports, time status reports, and Ad Manager still spend hours asking, what is this issue delayed? Who is blocked? Why is the story bouncing between developers? Why are we carrying tickets across multiple sprints? And the problem is simple. Jira gives you data, but it does not give you intelligence. You'll still have to analyze everything manually. And that's where this app changes the game. This app is called as issue health or work item health in status, cycle, time, and AI for Jira. What makes it different? Instead of just showing numbers, it automatically calculates a health score. Whenever you will go to this, we have to just click on this, expand the view. You will see the exact detail which is highlighted here. A means healthy, B means attentions needed, C means risky, D means critical. Imagine opening any Jira issues and instantly knowing whether it is healthy or becoming a delivery risk. No dashboards, no spreadsheets, no manual analysis. So health score will be visible like this. Immediately you will notice something powerful. The issue gets a health grade, not based on one metric, but based on 8 different delivery indicators. Let's look at them. Lead time is one of them, cycle time, block time, flow efficiency, due date, returns, reassignments, sprint health, and linked item. This means the app isn't just looking at durations, it looks at delivery behavior. And that's exactly where most project risks hide. There is a status category in progress and detailed health reports will be generated where we can see lead time, cycle time, block time, if they have any returns, due dates, efficiency, reassignments, and linked item. These details are actually we are getting from very hard efforts. And if you're using work item health or work item status by release managements, it will be quick and easy for you to get those informations generated for you. Along with this, they also have activity reports, where we can see any inactivity can be visible. Any items which is in to do, in review, that can be also possible to get it. In terms of settings, we also have assigning work logs, flat comments, any details which is listed here. We can even see the status category along with the username and returns what we have, how much time it's spent on any particular issues, what is the ideal status or what is the ideal items which is left behind which might create a problem for the long term. So these details are quickly available for us. Along with this, if we wanted to get a detailed insight about this item, we have to just click on AI Insights, and this navigates us to the page where we can quickly see detailed insight about our products. The data which is generated with the help of Rovo, where we can see the insights generated in depth. And this is because of this applications which is installed in our status. So time and status reports not only just give work item health, it also provides the detailed insights. What is the improvement pointers? What could be lagging factor? What and why we need it? Let's look at one of my favorite features, time in status. Most tools show you basic status durations. Here we can see time in status. This app gives much deeper. You can see exactly how much time was spent in each status to the minutes. Notice how this ticket spends significant time waiting. Imagine multiplying this by hundreds of tickets, how much productivity is being lost inside your Jira workflow. Comment below what is the most frustrating status in your Jira process. Waiting for review, waiting for UAT, waiting for business approval. Let me know in comment. If we are working on any a particular task, we can also see returns where the app tracks how many times work moves backward, forward, development, testing, or from testing to developments, development to analysis, and all. That can be also tracked. Hidden rework and hidden rework destroys delivery timelines. Most teams don't measure this. Now you can do this by using it. It does not just identify problem, it suggests actions for delivery managers, scrum masters, engineering managers, and RTE. This can save hours every week. So taking a real life example, let's imagine a real scenario. A story has been open for 25 days, multiple reassignments, 3 returns to developments, high block time, linked dependency issues. Most teams won't notice the rest until the sprint review. This app identifies it immediately. So the issue health drops, AI explain why, and the team can act before the delay impacts delivery. That's proactive project management, not reactive firefighting. Why I like this app? The reason I like this app is simple. It answers 3 questions every manager asks. Where is time being lost? Which issues are risky? What should we do next? Most tools answer only the first questions. This app's answer all 3. If you are managing Jira projects, running Scrum teams, leading agile releases, or simply trying to improve delivery productivity, I recommend giving this app a try. Install these applications today itself. It takes only a couple of minutes and open any issues. The health score appears automatically. No complicated setup, no lengthy configurations, and comment triggers before you leave. I want your opinion. Would you rather have a traditional Jira dashboards or AI powered issue health scoring and recommendations? Type A or B in the comments. I'm curious to see what modern Jira teams prefer. If this video helped you to discover a new way to manage Jira delivery risk, hit like, subscribe and share. And if you install this app after watching this video, come back and tell me your experience in the comments. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or challenges, or you wanted to have a demo of this tool, feel free to reach out to Release Management Team. They will be happy to help you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in next video.